This is our next update for our hydroponic setup this year. You can see how well the Lebanese cucumbers have grown. They're 2 to 3 times as high as they were at the last shoot, which was a fortnight ago. All this has happened within the latest 2 weeks. You can see the size of the cucumbers there. That's about 3 inches long. And there's female flowers all the way up the stalks on these. With all the flowers on them. Heaps and heaps. About halfway up to the roof already in a fortnight. Another pollinated female flower there, as you can see, and new ones everywhere. Some of our new tomatoes we put in. More cucumbers. One there. Look at the size of that one, that's 5 inches long. That wasn't there a fortnight ago. And look at all the female flowers. All the way up. There. And there. Another one there. There's another one over there. We've got enough male flowers for them, but the female flowers are everywhere. There. There. Another cucumber. There's another cucumber. That one's about 3 inches long. This is the second batch of tomatoes that we put in. You can see how well they're doing. This is the first batch that went in. They're now nearly 3 times the size they were at the last update. You can see they're virtually up to the ceiling. Plenty of flowers waiting to be pollinated. And fruit down here. Tomato there. Another bunch here. Over there, they're coming on rather nicely actually. Healthy looking plants. There's a nice bunch there coming along. Another bunch over there. They're all looking pretty good actually. Flowers all the way up the stem. At the start of a bunch there with some flowers. Parsley bush is running wild, as you can see. mint plant grown from seed waiting to be transplanted. Some more tomatoes we've got for a friend up the road. They'll be picking them up at the end of the week. Looking very healthy. These are the seedlings from the seeds I got from Western Australia that I planted. Looking nice and healthy. Another few there. Another couple there. And Dutch buckets, obviously. And there's a general view of the plants in our system. They're being fed at the moment. You can hear the nutrient running back into the reservoir. It's starting to get a bit crowded up towards the roof where they're growing. But they've got another foot before we start to bend them over. And of course our fabulous Lebanese cucumbers. Growing very, very well indeed. And all that growth has happened in the last 2 weeks. Right, we'll be back in a fortnight's time. We'll shoot another video, see what extra we've got in the way of fruit. Our tomatoes there, spin across, there's another bunch. So all told, everything is looking pretty good for a fortnight's growth in our system.